Welcome to another episode of Why Did I Think This Was a Good Idea? Today's mission: survive the hike down and find the waterfall without falling into it. The air smells like wet leaves and adventure.
Divine intervention.
Look at that nature doing her thing. No filter, no edits, just raw green chaos. We love it.
Only in my crucial moments do they pay attention carefully. The shadows of my past.
This part right here is called Don't Slip or Become a Legend on the internet. I hear it, the waterfall, she is calling me.
Lets me emerge from my cocoon. I only have what's right in front of me. Only you know what is right for me. Compromise.
Worth it, 1,000 tiny stumbles. One glorious view, this is why we hike to the summit. This mist, and the moment where time slowed down. Would I do this again? Absolutely, after sleep for 3 days straight.
Doesn't compare to the happiness that's just around.
If you enjoyed that tiny chaos-filled journey, comment, and tell my knees they did great. Until next, stay wild, weird, and crazy.
What's right in front